Let's learn how to crop videos in TikTok. If you're new to the app or looking to enhance your TikTok editing skills, this video is perfect for you. This process works for both iOS and Android devices, and what you want to do is to open TikTok on your phone and then click on the little plus button in the center to open the TikTok camera. Now you can upload a video from your photo gallery, or you can record a new video directly from within the app. I'll simply upload a pre-recorded video. And here is my video right here. In order to crop it or change the aspect ratio of my video, I have to click on this little edit icon which is at the right side of the screen, and this will open our video editor. The next step is to scroll down here until you can see the crop button, so tap on it. And this will open our cropping tool with a bunch of different aspect ratios from which you can choose from. You have a 9:16, a 16:9, a 1:1 and so on. You can also select the freeform tool to crop the video as you would like. And when you are done with the cropping part, just tap on save right here. And that's how you can crop a video in TikTok in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.